we're given the following exponential equation and we're asked to solve it. So we're solving here for x in this case. Now we have 3 to the power x equals 12. Now it's not very apparent what this may be. I know that 3 to the second power is 9, and I know 3 to the third power is 27. So the answer has to be between 2 and 3. That's about all I know. But what we're going to do is we're going to apply properties of logarithms to try to help us solve this. So let me write down or jot down one of the properties that I know. Okay, so I know here that the log base a of a to the x simply equals x. What ends up happening here is this log base a gets rid of a base a, leaving us with just the exponent. So I'm going to rewrite this 3 to the power x equals 12. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it with the log base. So I'm going to say log base 3. And what I do to one side, I do to the other by the golden rule of algebra. So let me see here. Log base 3. So what ends up happening there is we end up getting rid of this log base 3, leaving us with just plain x. And x will equal log base 3 of 12. Now, we could leave that as the answer, but if you're asked, this would be the exact answer. If you're asked to give, some kind of a decimal answer rounded to, I don't know, the nearest thousandth or so, then you're going to have to evaluate that on the calculator. So this one requires us to use the change of base theorem, and we're going to say, okay, log base 12 divided by log base 3. Okay, so we have that right there, log base 12 divided by log base 3. And then approximately on a calculator, you would get something in the ballpark of 2.262. And this right here would be your answer. Okay, so this is one approach. I think this is probably the easiest approach to apply this property right here. And let me get my pointer. So to apply this property right there, I think is the best approach to this problem. So, there's, like I said, different ways to do it. You can do a natural logarithm, but this one is just the cleanest way to solve this problem.